Marketing. The first thing that comes to mind when I say that word for many people is the 4 Ps. The 4 Ps are legendary. Even people that aren't in marketing know about the 4 Ps. But what most people don't realize is that the original marketing mix didn't consist of the 4 Ps. It consisted of 12 elements. So this is the marketing mix. The marketing mix is like a recipe, a mixture that you would use to bake a cake. But in this case, it's a mixture that you use to create a marketing initiative. But the 4 Ps stuck with us. Today, we even have a more superior framework called the 7 Ts. The 7 Ts are less confusing. The 7 Ts are more relevant today. And the 7 Ts are more comprehensive. But still in the corporate world, people use the 4 Ps. Why is that? It's because of radical simplification. People remember things that are simple, and simple things are stickier. There's another example in the corporate world. Myers-Briggs personality test. You've probably done this before. It's a test that's used to determine what your personality is. Now, the Myers-Briggs personality test might be something like, I am an ENTP, I am an introvert, I am one of these 5 elements. But in psychology, we have a vastly more superior personality framework. The Big 5 personality traits. It's more statistically robust, it's more universal across cultures, and it's much more strongly supported by the academic community, and it's been around for decades. So why do people stick to the Myers-Briggs framework? It's because it's simple. All you need to do is identify that one personality type that you are. For example, ENTP. I am an ENTP. My coworker is ISTJ. And it's very simple to have a conversation when you're dealing with one element, rather than the Big 5 personality framework in which you have to look at 5 different components. It's not just a single label that you apply to yourself, it's 5 different labels. That's too complicated for people to remember. Things are sticky when they're memorable and when they're simple.